Next sum number, exercise 6, same chapter, sum number 28 by method of substitution. This is again 4 marks questions. Question written here, integral x plus 1 by x, x plus log x whole square dx. Okay, now put continuously writing now, that's why it's not working well. This is a new marker. Okay, put x plus log x is equal to p. Therefore, 1 plus 1 by x dx is equal to dp. Okay, and 1 plus 1 by dx means x plus 1 by x, as it is given in the integrand part. So instead of x plus 1 by x dx is equal to dp, we will write, and instead of x plus log x, simply we will write p. So I is equal to p square dp. Very simple. P square dp means p cube by 3 plus c. Okay, so that is p cube means x plus log x. So write here x plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Very simple. This is not at all 4 marks questions, but it's given in the book, nothing to do. This is next sum number 32. Few questions you will get like this. It is given in the 4 marks part, but actually these sums are, I think it is only 2 marks questions. Sum number 32. What is the question? Integral e to the power x by 1 plus e to the power 2x dx. Okay, now put e to the power x is equal to tan theta. Ddx of e to the power x is only e to the power x, so what we will write? E to the power x dx is equal to ddx of dd theta or ddx of tan x equals to sec square x, so it will be sec square theta d theta. Okay. Oh, integral e to the power x dx is sec square theta d theta whole divided by, as it is 1 plus e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x can be written as e to the power x whole square. So what we will write? 1 plus e to the power x whole square. Okay, and 1 plus e to the power x we have taken as tan theta, so it is coming 1 plus tan square theta, and it is already 6 square theta d theta. So it is coming 6 square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is again 6 square theta. So right here 6 square theta d theta. Cut integral d theta. This is again theta plus c. What is theta? Tan theta is equal to e to the power x. So theta will be tan inverse e to the power x. Inverse function. That also you did in class 11 or in class 12 also, I think you have done already. Theta means tan inverse e to the power x plus c. This is the answer. Next sum number 34. Sometimes we in substitution parts only the new variable is only p, z, t, this type of variable we will use. No, sometimes we have to write in the sometimes we have to substitute with the integration function. Okay. Next sum number 34 is a very good sum. Integral 10 to the power x minus 1 into the integral 10 to the power x minus 1 by 10 to the power x plus 1 dx. Okay. Now 10 to the power x plus 1, as it is in the denominator part and numerator only minus 1, so it's better just write here 10 to the power x plus 1, as it is minus 1, so make it minus 2 by 10 to the power x plus 1 dx. Okay. Then 10 to the power x plus 1 by 10 to the power x plus 1 we will get as only 1, so it will be integral dx only, minus 2 by 2 integral dx by 10 to the power x plus 1. Understood? Now we will put 10 to the power x plus 1 as z. Then what we will get? A to the power x means a to the power x log a to the base e. It is dx is equal to dz. Okay. Therefore, dx will be dz by 10 to the power x log 10 to the base e. And here this part will be x minus 2 integral. Dx will be what? Dz by 10 to the power x, so 1 by log 10 to the power e, keep it outside, log 10 to the power log 10 to the base e, take it outside the integral part, and dz by 10 to the power x, so 10 to the power x, right? Okay, dx and 10 to the power x plus 1 is there for z. Okay, so 10 to the power x, we know this is equals to z minus 1. So x minus 2 by log 10 to the base e integral dz, and 10 to the power x means z minus 1. So write here z minus 1 into z. Z minus 1 into z. Okay, so this is coming x minus 2 log 10 to the base e integral z minus 1 into z here, and it's better to write the numerator part as z plus 1 minus z, then z into z minus 1, dz is there. Okay, now same as before, we will just split this z by z into z minus 1 plus 1 minus z. When we will take minus 1 common, it will be z minus 1 automatically. So this part, then what we will write, x minus 4, x minus 2 by log 10 to the base e. This is coming, as it is coming, integral z by z will be cancelled and integral 1 by z minus 1. So integral 1 by z minus 1 dz means log z minus 1. So write here directly. Actually there is no such space. So write me directly. And it will be minus, already I have said when we will take common minus from here, that will be z minus 1. Then that z minus 1 and the denominator z minus 1, these two will be cancelled. And the numerator part only 1 by z will remain. Integral 1 by z dz will be log z. So it is minus log z. Minus 1 by z plus c. Okay, now put the value of z only, nothing to be done, no place is there. Just put the value of z. Z means what? 10 to the power x plus 1. Then what we will get? Log 10 to the power x plus 1 minus 1. So it will be only 10 to the power x. Then x minus 2 log 10 to the base e, then it will be log 10 to the power x only, minus log 1 by z means 1 by 10 to the power x plus a. So it will be 1 by z is there, log z. So log z means 10 to the power x. So minus log 10 to the power x plus 1. Okay, now log n minus log n means log 10 to the power x by 10 to the power x plus 1. Or if you want, you can keep in this way also. Okay, next. Next sum number 37. Sum number 37 I should start with the new video. Okay, coming with the new video.